Did you guys do it?
I didn't do nothing.
Wasn't me.
No. Let's look at see who's the one that did it.
I'm sorry, Mama, but it was me. I feel so guilty that I put myself into this hoosegow, and I will remain in this tiny prison for the next 15 or 20 minutes or so. That seems fair. Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming and I'm peeing. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm peeing. Sorry, Mama. Haha, Mama, look at that fat rat over there. He's a chunky boy, is he? Oh, Scheiße, Scheiße, Scheiße. The chubby gerbil tried to kill me. Oh, yeah, that is the spot right there. This little Stubentiger gives the best shiatsu of anyone in town, let me tell you. Oh, do you feel how tense I am right there? You are making the biscuits right on my nuts. I've really got to stop digging so many holes, you know. It's really doing a number on my lower back. What? Kelly is floofing Rolf? Girl, you better get a bucket and a mop right now because you are spilling all of the teas.
Looks like this fluffy toy is everyone's favorite. You can get yours. Link in bio.